Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your Epic Games cannot verify email. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and fix this problem, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first thing you want to try to do is resend the link from your account settings and check your spam and blocked senders, or also try opening the verification link in an incognito browser. But if that doesn't work, then here's the best way to solve it. Open any browser and then simply head to Epic Games Support. Now click on the first link, and now this is where you want to simply go ahead and type in the message and say account recovery. As you can see, I've already had a chat with Epic support team, but all you need to do is simply go ahead and do that, and then it will give you a link in order to go ahead and recover your account. Simply go ahead and follow through, and that will fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.